topic is about prepositions, which is very important for exam point of view for all type of examinations for NTS or CSS or PMS. So I will discuss in a very simple way prepositions and its uses. So first of all, we should say a little thing about preposition. That what is preposition is. Actually, prepositions shows it shows or express what basics relationship between words. Okay, in a simple way, you say that it express the basic relationship between words. Now, prepositions show words. So first of all, it shows direction. It shows direction. Okay. Second, it shows space, time, agency, or situations. So this thing shows my preposition. Direction, space, time, agency, situations. In detail, we will discuss that what prepositions is of time, direction, or space, or agency, or situations. In detail, we will go there. Now we will discuss kinds of prepositions. The first kind is simple preposition. Simple preposition. For example, in simple preposition we can say in, of, or, etc. These are simple prepositions. Second type is compound preposition. Compound prepositions are made up more than one preposition. For example, ahead of, apart from. Okay, so these are compound prepositions. A lot of more are also there. Third type is phrasal preposition. So phrasal preposition is a group of words used with the force of preposition is called phrase prepositions. So in other words, a preposition can never stand alone. It must always be contained within a phrase or a group of words called a prepositional phrase. For example, according to, aside from, next to, or because of, or out of. These are phrasal prepositions. So and sometimes it's come with a verb with prepositions that make it a prepositional phrase. Now come the topics with position of prepositions. So, in sample, prepositions must be placed before an object. For example, on the table. above the sea. Okay, so it placed before an object. So, but sometimes it can be placed in the at the end of a sentence. In this view, grammarian says is that you must never use a preposition to end a sentence up with an old joke and introduces a superstition that dies hard. True, the very word preposition placed in front of suggests that the proper place preposition is front of the noun or the noun equivalent. Okay, so this is noun, so it must be placed in the front of a noun, not be placed after the noun. Sometimes the preposition is best placed before the word it's going, sometimes at the end of sentences or the clause. Preposition frequently placed at the end and a question beginnings with what, who, whom, or where. For example, what is he looking at? So in this sense you can use it at the end of a sentence. Second example is whom did you give it to? In this sense you can use it at the end of a sentences. You can take a screenshot from it, the prepositions are. But in sample, sometimes a preposition can be used placed before a relative pronouns. For example, it is the place. It is placed beyond which we cannot go. So here, which is the relative pronouns, and we use beyond as a prepositions. So, and before relative pronoun, a preposition can be used. The fourth position of a preposition is a preposition can be placed before whose. For example, under whose brim the gaudy sun would peep. It usually in Old English as a sentence from Shakespeare. Okay, so this is preposition and it is used before whose. The phrase at times like morning, afternoons, and evenings are always preceded by the preposition and whereas dawn, daybreak, noon, midday, and midnight are preceded by the preposition at. For example, the sun is the hottest at midday. Okay, so it is placed here. So inshallah tomorrow we will discuss in next video we will discuss the uses of prepositions. Please keep it, share with other friends, watch and subscribe the channels. Thank you.